coming to the service management, this service management is somewhat a different module. For example, I have a laptop manufacturing company, but I don't have a service center. So what I need to do, I will give services to some outside vendors. Okay, so or else if you have a company, you are going to making the services to some another client, so that you can able to track all the information here. Service management in the sense, in this particular service management, there are no involvement of company transactions. Completely what exactly we have done to the service, a product service, all the information will be maintained here. Suppose I have a company, okay, but I will do service also. At this moment, this module will help you to save the data here. And coming to the next module, system administration module. Here, in all the modules, we can divide into, we can classify it into 3 sections. Business modules like accounts payable, accounts receivable, budgeting, cash and bank management, and everything. Okay, all these are all a business module. Organization administration module, which is related to organizational self-information. Okay, and the third one is system administration module. In this module, we will maintain our product information. We are using to store all this data. Dynamics 365 application, right? Finance and operations. So we will maintain all the information of our product, Dynamics 365 product, about the licenses, about the license expiry things, database information, and user logs, and any batch processes and security roles, something like email related configurations, and everything we will maintain here, which is related to administration part of our application. In this particular module, really no business involvement, no business data involvement in this module, and also organization administration module. See, if client purchased 2 to 3 modules, along with that 2 to 3 modules, the client 101% has to take system administration module and organization administration module compulsory. Because in system administration modules, we have users, how many people has to access this application, all these things will be there. In organization administration module, we have to set up the company structure, right? So all these things will be there here, to creating the companies, okay, importing the data and all, okay, everything will be there here. So these modules, 2 modules like this one, organization administration module and system administration module, are compulsory modules for any client. The remaining modules are optional. Based on their business, they will choose. And come to the transportation management. Transportation management, which is related to transport. For example, I have a manufacturing of laptops, laptop industry. So I will deliver it to my clients in different locations. Definitely, I need to use transport, like vehicles. If you see, but vehicle information will not be included here. Okay, vehicle information, but vehicle related, goods related information like loads, active loads, open loads, okay, shipment arrived or not, okay, open shipments, waived shipments, okay, driver check-in, check-out, who has checked in and checked out, okay, appointment schedulings and everything. and like routes information to save the fuel or to save the time, and everything will be decided in this module. Everything will be preloaded here. After purchasing this module, what they will do directly, they will track the information and they will keep it here. Okay. And the last, there is a warehouse management. Warehouse management in the sense, see, every finished good item or any raw material, I will not kept it in the manufacturing area. What I will do, I will kept it in the warehouse. Finished goods, I will send to warehouse. Suppose a load came of raw material, what I need to do? I need to download in the manufacturing area. I will send to the warehouse. So all the warehouse related information, loads, active loads, and released loads, shipments, something like this is also something like a transportation management functionalities will be included here. Okay. So these are all modules of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Now, okay. Now come to the any module. See, I have opened accounts receivable module. Here you can see there is a expand all option, collapse all option. Collapse in the sense it will, you can see like this. Expand means you can see like this, elaborated. All the functionalities will be elaborated directly. Okay. And this module, not only this module, every module having three kind of objects. All these are all objects. All customers, customer on hold, like remedy journal and COD outstanding, invoice journal, and customer turnover report, invoice. These are all, we can call it as an object. These objects are classified into three types: forms, dialog boxes, and reports. Everything we can call it as an object. Okay. These objects again classified into three types: forms, reports, and dialog boxes. I mean, in this area, in this dashboard, you are seeing forms, reports, dialog boxes. That's it. Only three types of objects will be there here in this particular section. Either forms will be there, dialog boxes will be there, reports will be there. Compulsory three items will be there here. But how can we identify it is a report, it is a form, it is a dialog box? For report, they will mention definitely, see here, order line, not invoice report. See, customer turnover report, reimbursement report, customer report, like this. For report, they will mention ending a report name. Okay. See here, customer auditor report, customer base data report. For forms, you can see directly, these are all forms, like all customers, customer on hold. For reports, you can see by the name, ending report name will be included. And for dialog boxes and forms, they should not mention form and the dialog box at the ending. Okay. You just understand. See, all customers, when you open the object, then you can identify whether it is a form or whether it is a dialog box. Definitely, I will show you how the form look like and how the dialog box looks like. So then you can understand that one. Okay. And what I'm trying to say here, each and every module having three types of objects, like forms will be there, dialog boxes will be there, reports will be there. So coming to the forms. So what exactly forms here? Okay, let's open one form and I'll show you. Okay, for easy understanding purpose, I have opened human resource management module, and let me open. Let me change the company name so that you can see the data also. These are all companies list. This about this companies list we will discuss later point of time. I'm selecting USMF company. Okay, let me open human resource management employees. This is form. Form contains information, I mean data. All the forms look like something like Excel sheet. Okay, see here, something like Excel sheet, right? This one. This one we can call it as a grid. It is a technical word, grid. And here there is a button controls. There is a button controls here. Suppose I have selected a record, okay, Malone record, Bill Malone. So all the button controls will work for this employee. For example, I want to enroll benefits for Bill Malone, so that I need to click here. I want to terminate Bill Malone. Okay, I want to see the name history. I want to see the bank accounts. I want to see the benefits. I want to see the image of the Bill Malone benefits. Okay, personal contacts, everything related to Bill Malone. Suppose if I selected Hicks, now everything works for Hicks right now. If I click here, Hicks will be terminated. If I click here, I can see the bank accounts of Hicks. If I click here, I can see the image of the Hicks. Based on selection of the record, the button controls will work. Okay, and this one we can call it as a action pane area. Action pane. We are doing actions, right? Termination is an action, and opening bank accounts is an action, and assignments, add assignments, edit assignments, these are all actions, right? We are doing something. So that's what all the things we kept it in the action pane. This is completely this area we can call it as an action pane. And here we have a filter control to filter the data in the grid control. Suppose I want to filter the 000046 number. Okay, this one is a personal number, right? Okay, I'm filtering here 000046. It is a personal number, so that I need to select personal number. If I select phone number, in phone number 000046 is not available, right? So I need to select for personal number, so that data will be filtered like this. It is predefined. It is predefined. It is inbuilt functionality. This filter control is inbuilt functionality. And the right side, we are seeing related information. This related information is completely like a quick information kind of thing. For example, I want to see the loans of Malone. When I click here, okay, there are no loans of Malone. Hicks, one loan is available. Okay, Portra, okay, no loans. Something like Starman, no loans. Something like this one. When you select a record, automatically the data will show here. Loans information. In the same way, you can see the skills. In the same way, you can see the goals. In the same way, you can see the current position of an employee. Who, for example, I have selected Bill Malone. See here, his number is 000068. Okay, which is position number. It is position number, not personal number. Okay, the position number is this one, and machine operator, and the job is machine operator, department operations, reported to Tony. Reported to Tony. He's Tony. Okay, and months in, position, and remaining things are there here. Whatever the record we are selecting, everything works for that particular record only. See, forms stores the data, especially to create a record, to delete a record, to update a record, all the things we will do in the form itself. Okay,